Lie on your back and pull your knees to your chest for reclining belly twist. Hold your left knee. Breathing in, stretch your right leg up, and breathing out, lower it to the floor. You'll keep your right leg active throughout the pose. On your next breath in, roll to your right, bringing your left knee all the way to the floor and stretching your left arm up. And really reach with that arm. It's not about position, it's about action. Lift the shoulder blade, and then exhaling, stretch the arm out to the left, bringing it halfway to the floor. If this twist bothers your lower back, you can support your knee on a block. Turn your head to the left to gaze at your hand and breathe steadily. Keeping your hand lifted, exhale and press your left shoulder toward the mat, holding for a moment. And then press it again. Your shoulder may or may not come to the floor. Continue to stretch the arms strongly. Breathing in, release, and coming back to center, knees to chest. Hold the right knee, breathing in, stretch the left leg up, and breathing out, lower it to the mat. Again, the leg stays active throughout the pose. Breathing in, roll to the left, letting the exhalation bring your knee to the floor and your right arm reaching strongly up. Relax your breathing. Now inhaling, reach to the right, lowering the arm halfway to the floor and turning your head to gaze at your hand. Keeping your right arm active, exhale and press your shoulder to the floor. This will increase the work in your upper back and help remove some of the tension there. And try to relax the back. That will help your twist go further as well. Inhale, release. Come back to center, hugging the knees to the chest. A very effective exercise to extend your breath out and calm the nervous system is an exercise called pursed-lipped breathing. Pucker your lips like you're holding a drinking straw in your mouth. One cycle of pursed lip breathing is this. Try it with me. Exhale by blowing out through pursed lips. As you finish your exhalation, close your mouth and pause. Breathe in with your mouth closed. Again, pucker your lips and breathe out through pursed lips in a long, steady channel of air. Continue with this breathing, exhaling through pursed lips, pausing, breathing in with your mouth closed. Do you feel how, as you exhale, your belly muscles sink into your back body? That means you're using your diaphragm more effectively. Don't force this as you purse your lips and exhale, channeling the breath. Notice how the exhalation becomes longer and more steady. Continue this at your own pace. Exhale through pursed lips, a long, steady stream of air. Pause. Inhale, mouth closed. Pay attention to each pause, relaxing, waiting for the new breath in to arrive naturally. If your breathing seems forced, shorten the exhalation. This is not about quantity, but quality.